Hi, this is our look at the Thursday, December 11th trading conditions session. Economic calendar is in front of you as per usual. Quite a bit in the way of economic announcements. Really, though, we're only going to be focusing on a couple. One of which, of course, is going to be core retail sales out of the United States, initial jobless claims out of the United States, and with that, we feel that this is probably going to be more of a U.S.-centric session. With that, we think most of the action will probably be in the stock markets, possibly the U.S. dollar as well. So let's take a look at some charts and see what we have coming our way. Because of the U.S.-centric nature of the session, we'll look more at the S&P 500 than anything else. And as you can see, we have pulled back a bit during the session, but quite frankly, it looks like 2020 is probably going to be a pretty significant barrier for the sellers. So we're looking for supportive candles to turn the tide of the market back around, perhaps head back to the 2080 level. We like buying calls. We don't really have much in the way of put buying opportunities as far as we can see. We think that 2000 is where the trend changes. As long as we stay above there, it's really difficult to buy puts. You can see that the US dollar has fallen a bit. The euro's risen during the session here on Wednesday, but really we still feel that the 125 level is a pretty significant barrier. We're going to look to buy puts to go long the US dollar if we get any type of resistive candle on short-term charts. We believe that the euro continues to fall. There is a bit of a downtrend line channel kind of thing here, perhaps a falling wedge, we just don't know. There's a lot of different things going on, but the one thing we do know is that 125 is important, so we're looking for put buying opportunities. And looking at the gold markets, you can see that we struggled at the 1240 level, the beginning of pretty significant resistance, and formed a shooting star. What does this tell us? US dollar strength if we break down a little bit. So that is the theme of the session in our opinion. US stocks could go higher. US dollar strength should come to play as well. If the stock market doesn't give you a decent enough candle to look at, start looking at shorting or buying puts in precious metals, gold, silver, possible other commodities, and then most certainly buying puts in the euro. With that, we've taken a look at the Thursday, December 11th trading session.